Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer with Quilters Select. Do you ever struggle with your ruler shifting when you are trying to accurately cut and measure your quilt pieces? What about hand fatigue when there are a lot of pieces that need to be cut for that project that you're working on? Or what about squaring up those blocks and trying to find just the right rotating mat? Well, if any of these challenges occur in your quilting studio, let me introduce you to the Quilters Select product line. The products in the Quilters Select family have been designed in partnership with Alex Anderson. The non-slip rulers feature a non-slip coating across the entire surface of the back of the ruler to keep that ruler in place on your fabric to prevent any shifting or wiggling for more accurate cuts. You'll find that the rulers are numbered from left to right and right to left, so they're easily used by both right and left-handed quilters, as well as in any orientation as you're working with your ruler. They are marked in 30, 45, and 60-degree angles. They're marked in 1/8-inch increments, and you'll notice the sight lines for increased visibility and accuracy as you're placing the edge of the ruler along the edge of your fabric. They come in a wide variety of rectangles, squares, and specialty rulers. The Quilters Select rotary cutter has a nice weight to it. That's how you know that you're working with a quality tool. The minute you pick that rotary cutter up, you will know there's something special happening here. It's very easy to work with the rotary cutter. That additional weight helps move our blade through our fabric, again, without excessive press, and eliminates the hand fatigue as you're working through some of your projects that require a little more cutting. The center pin on the rotary cutter features a magnetic center so that when we are changing the blade, we don't have to worry that the blade is going to come loose and we have to chase it around our sewing space. In addition to the rulers and rotary cutters, I love working with the Quilters Select mat. The mat has a special surface that when used in conjunction with the Quilters Select rulers, you are able to hold your fabric in place and rotate this right around, eliminating the need for an additional rotating mat. So as I place my ruler on a unit in order to do some trimming, I can position that ruler, make my cut, rotate my unit, and continue to cut without having to worry about that unit slipping. Isn't that an amazing trick for using our Quilters Select mat? So thank you for having a look at the Quilters Select product line. If you are a new quilter or you're new to the Quilters Select family and want to know where to start in collecting and outfitting your quilting studio, we have a wonderful Quilters Select Gotta Have It starter bundle that comes in this beautiful Quilters Select tote bag, 18 by 24 inches, so it's a great one for taking with you to classes and workshops. And it includes the 18 by 24 double-sided Quilters Select mat. It includes the 45 millimeter rotary cutter, a replacement blade for that cutter, the Quilters Select handle for easily moving and repositioning your rulers, and then my 3 Gotta Have It recommended rulers. We want all the rulers in the line, but this is a great place to start. We all need a longer strip type ruler, so the Gotta Have It starter kit includes your 6.5 by 24 inch strip cutting ruler, what I would call sort of a mini strip cutter. This is the 8.5 by 12. It's a nice convenient size when you're cutting maybe trifold fabric or fat quarters. You need something a little bit bigger than a 6-inch wide ruler. This is a great one and it fits nicely in our bag for taking to class. And then the 6.5-inch square, another Gotta Have It item for squaring down, trimming up, making our half square triangles, etc. So you can find this Gotta Have It starter bundle where Quilters Select products are sold.